Welcome to the Ansible CBT Nuggets course. If you're tired of repetitive IT tasks, this is the course for you. We'll cover why Ansible is a game changer in automation, what to expect from the course, and how it'll make your life easier. By the end, you'll not only understand Ansible, but also wonder why you ever did things manually. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's talk about Ansible. It's like a personal assistant for your IT tasks, but without coffee breaks. We'll cover what Ansible is, why it's loved by automation pros, and how its architecture makes IT management smoother than ever. By the end, you'll feel like you have a secret weapon in your tech arsenal. Time to get Ansible up and running. We'll walk through installing it on different systems, ensuring it's properly set up, and troubleshooting common hiccups. No one likes installation headaches, so I'll make sure you glide through this process without pulling your hair out. Now that Ansible is installed, let's talk about configuring clients. Your inventory file is like a guest list for a party. Everyone needs to be accounted for. We'll make sure your hosts are set up correctly, your connections are secure, and everything runs smoothly. No party crashers here. Managing inventory is like organizing a toolbox. You want everything to be where it belongs. We'll discuss static vs dynamic inventory, how to group hosts efficiently, and the best plugins to use. By the end, you'll have a well-oiled system instead of a chaotic mess. Playbooks are the heart of Ansible. Writing YAML may sound scary, but trust me, it's easier than deciphering a doctor's handwriting. We'll cover task definitions, variables, templates, and best practices to make your automation scripts elegant and efficient. Debugging is like detective work, solving automation mysteries one error at a time. We'll go over common pitfalls, how to use the debug module, and what logs can tell you. No more scratching your head at cryptic error messages. I'll help you crack the case. Roles in Ansible keep things neat and organized. Because let's face it, no one likes messy automation scripts. We'll talk about structuring roles, using community-created ones, and best practices to keep everything maintainable. Think of it as the Marie Kondo method for your playbooks. Who said Ansible is just for servers? It's a powerhouse for network automation too. We'll cover managing routers and switches, automating configs, and best practices for seamless network operations. Less manual work, fewer errors, and more time for coffee. Modules are like Ansible's magic tricks. They do all the heavy lifting. We'll explore built-in modules, how they simplify automation, and even how to create custom ones. By the end, you'll feel like an Ansible wizard. All right, let's talk Git. Git helps track changes in your code, like a time machine for developers. First, we initialize a repository. Think of it as creating your project's vault. Then, committing changes is like saving a video game checkpoint. Branching lets you work on new features without breaking the main project. And, of course, resolving merge conflicts, because who doesn't love a good developer headache? But hey, mastering Git makes you unstoppable. Ansible makes automation look easy. First, we install it, like giving our control node superpowers. The inventory file is where we list all our servers, because let's face it, computers need instructions. Running ad hoc commands is like throwing one-time spells. And playbooks, those are pre-written automation magic. Trust me, once you get the hang of Ansible, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If Ansible is the brain, Ansible Tower is the fancy control panel. It gives you an intuitive interface to automate tasks like a pro. Setting up job templates makes automation repeatable, because who likes manual work? User roles help maintain security, because nobody wants an intern accidentally rebooting production servers. And monitoring jobs is crucial, because trust me, you don't want automation running wild. Ansible, Kubernetes, Terraform, Sounds like a superhero team, right? Ansible handles automation. Kubernetes manages containers. And Terraform provisions infrastructure. Kubernetes is great for orchestrating services, while Terraform excels at building environments. Each tool has its place, but together, they are unstoppable. Choosing the right one depends on your use case. But hey, why not use all three and feel like a DevOps rockstar? Ansible is powerful, but only if you use it wisely. YAML formatting keeps scripts readable. Nobody likes deciphering cryptic errors. Idempotency ensures playbooks run smoothly without unintended changes. Ansible Vault protects sensitive credentials, because leaving passwords in plain text is like handing your house keys to strangers. And structuring roles keeps playbooks modular. Think of it as Marie Kondoing your automation. We've covered the magic of Git, the power of Ansible, and even compared it to Kubernetes and Terraform. Now the next steps. Explore advanced features, automate deployments in CI/CD pipelines, and never stop learning. Join the Ansible community, because let's be honest, tech is constantly evolving. So go forth, automate everything, and be the DevOps wizard you were meant to be. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.